Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making strawberry ice cream. And I'm not talking about the light version, I'm talking about the real deal. So, full of fat and sugar. So, let's start. We're making strawberry ice cream, so of course we need strawberries for that. I washed and removed the crowns from them. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can add more or less depending on the sweetness of the strawberries. Also add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We need to blitz these up, so grab a hand mixer and make a puree out of the strawberries. Keep going until it's smooth. I like to put the mixer through a sieve to remove any big seeds. Skip this step if you don't mind having some seeds in your ice cream. We're done with the strawberry part, so now we're going to make the actual ice cream. Separate 5 egg yolks from the egg whites. We're only going to use the egg yolks. Add all of the sugar to the egg yolks and give it a good beating with a whisk. Set it aside for now. Grab a pan and put in all of the cream. This is basically whipped cream without the air beating into it. Bring the cream to a boiling point and remove it from the heat. Let it cool slightly before adding it to the egg yolks. Mix it together and put the bowl over a hot water bath. Slowly heat the mixture until it's thick enough to cover the back of a spoon. You know it's properly cooked if you can draw a line without the line disappearing. Remove it from the heat. Now we made ice cream, but we still have to add in the strawberry mixture to make it strawberry ice cream. So mix everything together nicely and add it to the ice cream machine. Set the timer to 1 hour and let it do its thing. Plenty of time to have a little nap. You can slowly see the ice cream thickening up while it's getting colder. I removed it when it was still a bit runny, but I wasn't planning to eat it right away. So I put it in a freezer safe bowl and let it harden in the freezer. And voila! You made strawberry ice cream! And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.